I'm gonna take this oven tray for it. I could use it for the pork, but I don't think it's smart because the pork is gonna be purple and we wanna have a nice brown color, of course, golden brown. Okay, I still need to hang all the ornaments though, but I'm doubting. Should I hang them next year with Christmas? Or should I just hang them in the back of the food cave, Wessel? You know, because Christmas is already gone, of course. So I'm doubting a little best to do. So here we got the rib. We chopped it in yesterday already, very nice. We got the ribs on the bottom. Yeah, I'm doubting a little bit, Wessel. I don't want to be looking ungrateful, you know, as well. But since Christmas is gone, I could do hanging on the wall in the back, but I'm doubting a little bit. But definitely thank you for the efforts and the love, bro. Nasty King, hope you're doing well, champ. Thanks for joining, my man. I'm gonna throw off the red cabbage. Turn it off now. Yeah, you can definitely use it as a gel. But yeah, of course, I still got the red fruit jelly over here. I got the foam. Could maybe use it for tomorrow, but I still got pickled beetroots and cauliflower as well. That's red or purple too. So I'm doubting, should I use it? Yay or nay, you know? I'm doubting a little bit, bro. Rave, welcome in. Hope you're doing well, champ. Thanks for joining. All good, Wes. So I will take a little look about that, bro. Gonna take a little look for that, man. Thanks, champ. Take a look what Todd wants. We probably got to do it together. That's the easiest. I think I gotta go to the toilet, guys. I don't want to do that though, but I think I can't help it. Lol. Perfect. Oh, that's possible too, Freddy, indeed, champ. Yep. Estes, hope you're doing well. Thanks for joining. Pretty good. Hope you're doing well too. And hope you're doing well too, Freddy. Welcome in, guys. Let's freaking get it, chat. Yeah, it's a beautiful Atari Max. Welcome in, champ. Hope you're good. Beautiful from the butcher. One of the best butchers from Zealand. We got the beautiful rind over here, right? We chopped it in. Very nice. So we're gonna add some water now and then we're gonna let it poach in the house kitchen because that's an electric oven that saves us gas, you know? Hello, Freddy. Naughty kids these days. All good, Nasty King. Thanks for the look, bro. A lurk, let's get it. I'm gonna throw off some moisture from the cabbage though and let it chill, let it cool. Later on we can stew it with some apple. We're first going to caramelize some apple and some cinnamon sugar then.